What's up, guys? In today's video we are going to see how to fix the HTTP error that you get when you try to upload media in your WordPress website. I'm working on this client's website and I need to upload a picture, but I've tried once and it said HTTP error. So first of all, you can try again to upload the file because it might be a memory issue, but as you can see, nothing is going to change. So we need to find another solution. If we go to see the file, we can notice that the spine size is below our limit. Dimension of this picture are pretty big, so we want to go and resize this picture. We can use every editor you've got on your laptop. I have got GIMP, so I'm going to use this. It's a free editor and you can use it on Mac, Windows, or even Linux. Once you've opened GIMP, you want to go in Image and Scale Image. We're not going to change the pixel, but only the image size. So we put, for example, 2000 and 1500 and we press scale. Right, now we got a smaller picture and we're going to export it. We can even leave the same name so we don't have multiple copies, and export, replace, export. And then we go back to our website and let's try again. We can see that this time, before it was 3.6 megabyte, now we got 2.4. So let's choose it. And finally, we've got our picture uploaded. No more HTTP error, and we can keep going with what we were doing. I hope you find this video useful. Please give a thumbs up if you want to see other tutorials, and see you in the next one.